Assalamualaikum everyone and good morning. My name is Muhammad Amir Aiman and I'm here to present my creative brief for the advertisement of Android 14 by Google. So we go on to the next part. The first part is our table of contents, which starts with our background summary, which is our client is Google Limited, and then the product is Android 14 itself, which is features presentation of Android 14. The relevant research is the brand consistency because it's research towards the design language, which is material U, and tech trends and motion design impact, which is use sleek, clean, and fast motion design. Other challenges in this project is also simplifying technical features to into easy to digest visuals in layman's terms, and also to maintain brand accuracy and time and resource management, such as doing scripting, storyboarding, animation within production deadlines. Why? Maintaining consistent visuals. So we go on to the overview. So this project is about a motion graphic video highlighting features on Android 14, highlighting 14 features. So the purpose is to make use and showcase new features. So our objectives here also is in the essence of to promote the Android 14 by itself visually and demonstrating it itself inside the video itself, which is to introduce Android 14 and then show the practical benefits, which is like some connect to features to real life user scenarios. And then create visual consistency with Google's identity, such as material you that I have mentioned before. Other than that, it's also we go on to the audience, which is our target audience is everyday smartphone users and then tech enthusiasts. Also, everyone that thinking about buying a new phone for this. So the reasoning is to understand everything new about Android 14, which is the features, and then to be convinced about its modern and user-friendly design, and to assure that the system is secure, smooth, and future-ready. So we go on to the competition and we use the SWOT analysis technique for this project. So for the first one, we got strength. So the project strength is using Google's signature visual style, which is Material U, as mentioned before earlier, and then very high visual appeal and familiarity and relatability. And then we go on to the next one is a weakness. So for there's some weakness in this project as well, which is the design material itself have some minimalist style, which could limit emotional storytelling and some creative experimentation. And it's also heavily tied to Google's branding, so it's kinda restricted. So other than that, we got the opportunity. So for this project, we got a lot of opportunity and potential to set a new benchmark of how future tech updates are presented for this design itself. And it also have strong shareability across platform. And the last one is our threat. So for this project, some other competition, like other brands such as Apple and Samsung, may use similar art style and release similar promotional video like this one. So and maybe they also use and have a stronger identity and hooks. So the next one is our tone. So the main tone of this is modern, energetic, and friendly. The project uses very bright and dynamic tone that blends with Google's signature simplicity with a sense of innovation and excitement. So our core message for this is to communicate the Android 14 has a lot of personalization, cutting-edge features, and security for smooth user experience. And other key messages as well, the key takeaways is Android 14 is smarter and more personalized, other than the older Android like Android 12, Android 13, Android 11, etc. And more accessibility like non-linear font scaling and then magnification and also enhanced privacy and security, such as we know uh, who we share the data with, our data with, and then a fresh modern Android experience, which is using the Material U design, which is sleek and beautiful. So we go on to the last one, which is our color, our visuals. So for this project, the visuals is split into four categories: is color, typography, imagery, and composition. So for the color, we got five main colors that are used in this, which is off white and off black, which is not pure black and white that they used in this project, and also two shades of green in this Android design, which is a lighter green, and then the significant important green that is used on the logo itself, which is the Android green. And then the blue is like a color that is a secondary color that is complementary to the green that they use alongside together to create a harmony of color. So for the second one, we got typography. They mainly use Roboto fonts and some other variations such as Roboto Flex, which is used mainly in the UI itself. And they use also some variations to complement each other. So for the third one, we got the imagery. So for Android 14 itself, use the Material U design that I have mentioned before, and also on their operating system and in their website. So other distinct imagery, they use dynamic, motion graphic, and phone UIs, energetic yet calm tone and mood, like mentioned before, and clean icons and typefaces. So for the last one is our visuals and composition. So for the composition for this project, they use very clean, centered, and fluid composition. So they use this to emphasize clarity and balance minimal layouts. And also color composition, such as mentioned before, that follow the Material U palette. And then they use very simple movement and flow and depth and layering to this project. So for the other one, we got the details, which is all the deliverables and other details for this. So for the main key deliverables, is to make a motion graphic video explainer advertisement. So this is a video explainer by itself. So other data, which is this is an MP4 video file that is uploaded to YouTube in the 16:9 ratio, and then the duration is 1 minute 49 seconds. So for the people that work on this project is these people listed here, which is the creative director Jay Brown, and then we got all these other people with a team of motion designers itself. And that is all for today. We got our reference for this project, and then all the other image sources and the reference. So that is all for today. Thank you and goodbye.